Hi, this is Ranjit from Tandepur Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. Today I am going to explain about embedded system. What is embedded system? An embedded system is a system that has both software and hardware embedded with and gives the product application into the large system. An embedded system is one that has a dedicated purpose software embedded in a hardware computer. Embedded system application. It is a dedicated computer-based system for an application or product. It may be an independent system or part of a large system, usually embedded into ROM or flash. Examples of embedded system. Today, in the day-to-day life, without microcontroller, we are not using anything. The microcontroller device examples are digital watches, washing machine, CD, DVD, players, mobile phones and microwaves, ovens, etc. This is the embedded system examples, that is cameras, mobile phones, washing machine, calculators, microwaves, etc. Differentiate microcontroller and microprocessor. A microprocessor general purpose is used by data bus, system bus and address bus and fetched with CPU. But microcontrollers are embedded into a single chip and gives the result. Comparison. Microcontroller depends mainly on its peripherals like program memory, input-output devices like a keyboard, mouse, etc. General purpose microprocessors depends mainly on other devices like input-output devices, memory, DMA controller, that is direct memory access controller, etc. Used for microcontroller used for few dedicated functions determined by the system designer. Microprocessor used in mainly in apps, that is application to run the program. Microcontroller used a part of flash system because CPU is very big. But microprocessor, it's the art of computer PC, that is personal computer. Popular microcontrollers. Popular microcontrollers, that is 8051, use Intel and AMD processors. 80386, 80486 are used by Intel in the Core Duo, i7, i5 and i3 processors. Microchips processor use PIC. Motorola computers use 68HC05 and Ziglar computer use Z8 microcontroller. Embedded system design process are determined by the requirement. What are the requirement processes? After that, it go to the system architecture, then come to select the OS like Windows, Linux, etc. After that, it choose the processor and peripheral device. Processor means it will choose like a Intel, AMD, and then input-output devices means we can choose keyboard, mouse, etc. After that, it will choose the development platform like programming in C, C++, Java, databases like that. Then it will go to the application and we need to code. After that, it will verify the software, testing, then it will host into the target computer. Determine the requirement. Determine the requirement. It goes to multi-mode, multifunctional system. It will check with the size and weight of the requirement. What are all we need? That is specification. Then design the system architecture means what a real-time system need, that operating system. What are the operating system we need to get into the architecture? Whether which microcontroller will support the operating system. After that, it will select the operating system like a real-time. It has two types. One is a real-time operating system. Another one is non-real operating system. Non-real operating system we are using Windows XP, 7, etc. Real-time operating system means Linux, VRTX OS. Then it will go to choose the processor and peripheral. What are the peripheral means microcontroller, that is 8085, A6, Pentium, AMD 80386, 80486 processors. Then it will go to the development platform, that is hardware platform. It will choose then programming languages like C, C++, Java, etc. Then it will code the application or optimize, that is software application. After that, it will go to the OS system and verify the system. Then it will save and host the software. Then ARM processor. ARM processor is advanced RISC machines. That is this is one of the family of central processing units based on RISC computers. That is, RISC means reduced instruction set computer. ARM, at first ARM makes only 32-bit operating system. After that it will develop into 64-bit multi-core processor. Now it will go to the RISC processor designed to perform a smaller number of types of computer instructions so that it can be operated into the higher speed, performing the more million of instructions, that is MIBS. The ARM processor is now in the research of 128-bit processors. This is the ARM processor in mobile computing system. ARM processor uses touchscreen, sensor hubs, GPS system, Bluetooth, IR, that is infrared rays, cameras, flash control, cellular modem, Wi-Fi, SIM, etc. Thank you.